Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. So what's really happening in the market? Don't forget that it's actually that NFP week. It's actually NFP week, guys. So the market will be doing its thing. Today is Thursday, and we have unemployment claims or jobless claims. We know that yes, it does actually move the market. I see here the estimates say it's gonna be 211k. Previously it was 204. We will see what they're going to release. So this week, guys, things were not actually moving proper actually in the market. But you know what, we just have to do the analysis. Plus, as I told you that I won't be that available, I will just try to make this video very quick. For those who want to be part of the team, guys, this is actually a special. It's no longer the same as before. This is actually a special. I will be taking only 10 people. Once I'm done, we're going back on our $150 lifetime signals and the other ones. So for those who want to be part of the team, WhatsApp me here, then you can be part of the team. You enjoy unlimited signals for only 10 clients or 10 people. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. So let's go actually on the charts and see what's really happening, guys. I don't really have enough time, but I will start with GBP, or let me just go here. I'll just be as quick as possible. So on DXY, you can easily see that yes, the market is still on that aggressive bullish momentum. That's why we see other pairs still going down, but it seems like now it's trying to push up again. We will see what will happen. But the best thing is, let's try to stay out of the market until NFP. As we have this economic news go left and right, they will make our job very difficult. They are going to make our job very difficult. So it's better to actually focus on what will happen actually tomorrow. Plus, it's actually a new week, so just try to make sure that your analysis are correct. Don't try to fight the market. I see that we had some trades, some of them they were not touched. I'm talking about pending orders, and yeah, that actually not really good, but we did not really have some losses that much. So on a GBP USD, we can easily see that the market is still actually on a downtrend. As I explained since last week, the market is actually on this downtrend. We can see that the market is pushing lower. So here where on GBP, I think maybe the market will end up pushing to this resistance before we see a push the lower side. Or if not, I think yes, if you can still sell this if you have enough account, because the market can still go back up to this resistance before pushing lower. Or maybe you can just wait for the market to break the support before we see another sell. You see, something like that. Either you're waiting for the market to reach this area, because here I can't say there is a support. I don't really see that. So I can't say the market, but it's doing something there. The market is actually doing something. There is a chance for the market to do it, to keep pushing even lower. So let's push to the next one. I hope this is going to be, I know people, they say, Kenzo, you're so fast. It's fine, guys. I don't really have time. As I told you, I have some family issues currently. So I'm just trying to focus on that. So now we are actually on Euro USD. We can easily see that the market is doing what? Also pushing to the lower side. We can see the continuation of this sell, a nice retest here. Now the market just came. We had actually yesterday, we had a buy pending order below this area. I can see the market pushed up, did not really want to push lower. So we'll just wait and see if maybe the market will be coming back there. I think you can do something like this as a support, small support, little bit like that, and say if maybe the market breaks that, I will continue selling. Or maybe the market will try to push up to this resistance, this one here, horizontal one, or maybe this diagonal resistance before pushing lower. That is also possible. But as we have enough economic news, we might see the market pushing up, down, and you end up getting confused. So stay safe, stay out of the market, just do the analysis and just learn, right? So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. Even on gold, we had quite similar structure. You can see that yes, the market is actually doing what? The market is still actually on this nice downtrend. Guess what? The market did give us some crazy sell there. When we go closer, you can easily see that yes, actually the market, we have sort of a consolidation. We have a consolidation actually there, but instead of the market pushing lower, the market yesterday just, I thought maybe the market was going to continue. I see a consolidation here. So if we go on a bit smaller time frame, let's try maybe 1 hour time frame. You will see that is actually a perfect consolidation. The market is just going up and down, so which means the market is still deciding that it's a chance for the market to break this resistance and start to push the upside. If not, we will see the market trying to do what? To push even lower. But we can wait for the market to break this support area, and we can say, yes, that is a good time for us to do what? To continue actually selling. But with this economic news, anything can happen. The market can be positive and we see the market pushing up, or negative, then we will see things reverse very quick. So now we are actually on US30. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. We are actually on US30. We also had a sell pending order, but the market did not really trigger that. Let me just go on maybe 2 hours time frame. So on 2 hours time frame, we can easily see that yes, the market did actually push the lower side. I thought maybe we're gonna have that continuation of a sell. As you can see that on top here, we saw the market doing what? Pushing to the lower side. But I thought maybe we're gonna have a nice sell as we had some rejections, but the market pushed to the upside. But I think maybe this might actually work in our favor. If we have something like this here, that might work in our favor, but we have some economic news. So which means, yes, the market might try to go in our favor, boom, then the market pushes to the upside. So that's why we say, let's try to be safe, or let's wait for the market actually. Let's wait for jobless claims or unemployment claims. That will give us a very good idea, because most of the time, the market will actually simply react to that. That is actually what is going to happen. So if maybe the numbers are negative, we will see them, US30 is trying to push the upside. That is possible. So that's what I see now. So we are actually on this resistance and support. So we'll see what will happen. So I think the best way here, my advice can be, why don't we wait for a breakout here? Why don't we wait for a breakout, as we already have the news? So we don't know if maybe the market breaks this area, then we can continue maybe around after 2:30 once we receive the news. Or we can say, let's wait for a breakout on this resistance, then maybe we can have a hit and run on a buy before we actually think about selling, something like that. That's what I'm thinking. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. And Nasdaq is actually also doing its thing, guys. Our structures is actually a bit before. Now it makes sense. But firstly, you can see that the market was pushing to the upside. Very nice. We were on a very nice uptrend. We broke out. Then the market started to give us this structure. The structure can be a bit confusing for those who maybe were maybe having something like this, a downtrend like that. Then the market pushed up. Now the market is pushing down, but other areas, they do make sense, you see. So this happens sometimes, guys. Yes, after some time, when we draw this resistance and support, now it seems like it makes sense. But you can see the confusion that we had from this smaller downtrend, smaller uptrend. You can see the market was also trying to push the upside. Now we have a breakout, plus now the market is creating the support. So it means we just need to relax. I thought maybe the market here was going to continue with a sell, but I see the market is now pushing to the upside. But now we have a nice structure to say on top there we have a resistance. So there is enough chance for the market to do what? To actually respect that resistance and start to push to the lower side. There is enough chance. Then if it respects that, it means the market will be going towards that support. Plus we are actually on a resistance. On a downtrend, we expect the market to push lower. I think a sell here can actually work, but remember we have some news later on which can make the dollar to get stronger, and we might still continue. We might see a continuation of that sell. So guys, we have a smaller special before we go on our normal prices. So that is actually $39. This is going to be limited for 10 people. Just WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp. Let me know if you want to join unlimited VIP signals. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Xtrahot Forex. Thank you very much. Bye.